Hello everybody, this is John Crocker with the board game Crockpot at boardgamecrockpot.blog and on Twitter at boardgamecrock1. And today I have a Kickstarter fulfillment coming in. This is for Thieves Fortune. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what all is inside this box. Excuse me. Thieves Den. So we have first Thieves Den, the expansion. Thieves Den Fortune Favors of the Bold. And here's the big box. Thieves Den, design Alice Davis, illustration Dennis Martinez from Daily Magic Games. Alright, let's cut this open and take a look inside the box. Thieves Den is for 2 to 5 players, ages 10 plus. Time is estimated at about 45 minutes. There's some card drafting in this game, also some worker or thief placement. So here we have the rule book. Take a look inside of this. Got a nice board set up. I love when rule books have a really good setup. Sometimes that can be one of the hardest things, and this looks just at a quick glance like a really easy setup from the rule book. And then we'll have an overview, gameplay, game end, and then looking at some of the different actions you can take. Great artwork in here. Really like the artwork in this game. There'll be power tiles, and we got a page towards the end that's clarifications on the power tiles, some card clarifications, and then I also like this about rule books when on the back you can get a quick play guide, and so Daily Magic Games has included that. So it looks like a great rule book. Then we've got some punch outs. Here's the power tiles. Let's take a look at that board. It's a trifold board here. Let me go and grab this to move it. So here's the big look at that board. I got some of the different locations that you'll be able to go to, send your thieves to, maybe go get more thieves. The power tiles will be up here. This is a game that's 3 rounds, so that's where that 45 minutes should be true. Not a long game, but it looks like a lot of great decisions that'll be included. Alright, this is a great board. Love the look of this. More great art. Love the attention to detail throughout this kind of map that's displayed here. Yeah, this will be great to just spend some time looking at this board and what all detail has been included. Alright, back to the box. These will be the individual player boards. Coming in unique colors. And then we've got the location cards here. There's the back of those. Some more really fun artwork for the backs of these cards, looking like a treasure map or just different locations for thieves to plunder. believe these are the fences. So basically the people that want the goods that you are stealing, whether that be certain gems. So get the right items, the right resources, bring them here, get some points. So a nice pack of those. And then here's small. I'm going to have to look in the rulebook to get clarification on what these are. Looks like, oh yeah, these are some ways at the end of the game that you'll get extra points. And then last, a bag here, lots of these. Let's see if we can get this opened. Let's take a look inside here. Some of these meeples. So each player gets their own color. So we saw the different colors on the player boards. So here's those. Here's the one in the brown. Let's see, we've got one over here. Got the orange. The light purple player. And then just a whole bunch of these black thieves. You'll start with so many, and then there's ways that you can get more. Maybe you can take some of the other players' thieves throughout the game. So a whole big bag of those. And then I also appreciate always throwing in some extra bags for us so that we can put this thing away real nice at the end. Okay, so that's Thieves Den. Again, we have the expansion. Fortune favors the bold. There will be some of the stretch goals that were in the Kickstarter campaign should be in this box. I'm just going to add some dice, a gambling boat tile, so kind of add a unique betting scenario to the gameplay. More power cards, more power tiles, more location cards. Can't wait to give Thieves Den a try. And then add this expansion to it along the way. If you're interested in this game or kind of wanting to get a feel for what this looks like, I hope this helps. If you'd like to see a playthrough at some point, put it in the comments below this video, and hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.